So, one of my family members gave me black Xbox 360 to fix. As you can see, it doesn't want to open and we will try to fix this issue. A first and obvious thing to do is to disconnect Xbox from power supply and remove the HDD if you happen to have one. Then, we need to remove the front panel. Just pull it towards you and it should come off pretty easily. If your Xbox wasn't opened before, you need to cut warranty sticker. Of course, none of the Xbox 360s are still on void warranty, so that shouldn't be an issue. Now get something that would fit into holes on side of Xbox and try to get the top and bottom grill out. It's hard to exactly tell how to do it, but it's not that difficult. After you've got both grills out, lift up 4 clips that are on the front of the Xbox. Now the hard part. Xbox has these really annoying clips on the back that are difficult to remove. There are special tools just for this purpose, but you can also use a screwdriver. Just put it inside of the hole and wiggle it around, it should unclip. Then go to the next one. For me, it was fine until the last hole, which I messed up. I didn't record it, but after this, the bottom part of cover should come off without any problem. Now remove the eject button and flip the console upside down. In theory, you don't need to remove all screws, but I want to clean the system of the dust and change thermal paste, so I removed all screws. The top cover should lift up without resistance, and now we can see the Xbox motherboard. Disconnect cables from both the disk drive and the motherboard and pull off the white airflow cover. To remove fans, just pry them out with a flathead screwdriver. You can see that they were really dirty. Then I removed both heatsinks and I realized that you need to detach front panel board to get the motherboard out. There are 3 screws, 2 on the upper corners and 1 under this white piece of plastic. As you can see, my Xbox doesn't have an X-clamp and has these white spacers. I guess that they are to prevent the Xbox from getting red ring of death. To clean off old thermal paste, I've used isopropyl alcohol and some hygienic sticks. Here you can see that I've made a pretty good job of cleaning it. I'm using a big brush to clean all of the dust. Now I need to figure out how to put motherboard with spacers back into the case, but I will skip this step because you probably don't have such spacers. Also, I didn't record how I applied the thermal paste because for some reason it makes a really big controversy, so I just skipped it. Now it's time to fix this tray. First, remove front plate by lifting it up, then remove 4 screws that are under disk drive. The case should pop out from both sides. Be careful not to damage any small ribbon cables and don't touch the laser optics because you might have problems with reading games. Now there's the small circle with a belt on that you need to rotate to open the disk tray. After disk tray is opened, get some isopropyl alcohol on the stick and put it between the smaller circle and the belt. Then just spin the bigger circle and it should be clean. As you are there, you can clean the laser lens with a bit of IPA. The last thing to do is to assemble the console back. Just revert all the steps from the video and as you can see, it works without a problem. Thanks for watching. If I helped you, then consider leaving a like and I will see you in another video. Bye.